everyone, Colton Bradley here. I'm the corporate product trainer with Karl Auto Group, and today we're going to be highlighting the 2024 Chevrolet Blazer EV. The all-new Blazer EV was unveiled back in July of 2022 by General Motors, and this vehicle is going to come in 3 different trim levels. The 2LT RS, which we have featured back behind us here, one of the first ones in the state of Iowa, a later availability SS trim, all of which are going to be riding on the all-new Ultium platform. So let's go ahead and let's dive into a few of this vehicle's features. So starting off with, on the RS Blazers, you're going to feature a full illuminated front end along with an illuminated bow tie. Swinging around to the back end of the vehicle, we are featuring an all-new presence-based liftgate. So after 5 seconds with the key fob in your pocket at the back end, it'll automatically open that up. So for anything that you're using hands-free wise, super easy to access. Or if I wanted to grab something like our dual level charger that we have here, which is standard on all of your Blazer EVs, this package is going to come with your charging box and 2 different cords. Once we have our charge cord in the charging location, the vehicle is going to go ahead and give you an audible beep, along with illuminating the LED light bar on the front of the vehicle, LED taillights, and giving you a charge indicator up on your dash. When it comes to Blazer EV, there's 3 different levels of charging. There's level 1 charging, level 2, and the quickest, which would be DC fast charging, which can give you up to 78 miles of range in just 10 minutes. All right, so as we're getting into the vehicle, one of the things that's unique on this Blazer is that you do not have a push button to start. Simply getting in the vehicle, pressing on the brake is going to go ahead and activate and turn on your Blazer EV. The Blazer EV is going to feature a different shifter than anything that we offered before on Chevrolet. It is still a column shifter, but with this, we're going to pull it towards us and push down for drive, pull towards you for neutral, pull towards you and push up for reverse, and the park button on the end, when you reach your destination, simply press on that, and it'll engage you into park. Something else that's unique with the Blazer EV is it's completely customizable, starting with our driver information center. This DIC is going to feature 5 different screens, giving you multiple different inputs where you can select through different layouts. Swinging over to the infotainment display, we have a 17.7-inch infotainment screen with a whole bunch of different options, again, for customization. So there are going to be some new locations on this vehicle for dials that you've seen in the past. Starting with your headlights. The headlights are going to be located on the left-hand side of the infotainment display, along with your drive mode system, which on the Blazer EV, you're going to have 4 different drive modes: normal, sport, snow, ice, and my favorite, which is my mode, where you can go in and customize different inputs such as steering, acceleration, and motor sound for your vehicle. Now let's talk about an important thing on your Blazer EV, which is going to be charging. Underneath of the charging icon, we have a couple different options that we can select between. If I were to be pulling up to a charging location and I want to charge now, I can set the vehicle to automatically start charging to my desired charge level on the screen. Along with that, if I'm pulling up to a location and I don't need charging right now, but I want to select a time that I'm going to be leaving, I can go in here and preset my desired time that I would like to leave from my location, and the vehicle makes sure it's charged to my target charge level at that time. So with your Blazer EV, there's 2 different ways that you can turn off the vehicle. If we have been driving, say we're pulling into our parking spot, if I press the park button on the end of the column and release my foot off the brake and open up the door, the vehicle is automatically going to turn off. The second option that we have for turning off your Blazer EV, say I've been sitting in a parking spot and letting my vehicle run, but I haven't driven anywhere, I can simply press on the vehicle off button, press the vehicle off, open up my door, and the vehicle will automatically turn off. Thanks for checking out the 2024 Chevrolet Blazer EV. If you'd like more information about this vehicle, you can go to Chevrolet.com and sign up for Blazer EV updates. Or if you're interested in ordering one of these vehicles for yourself, you can stop out to one of your selected Karl Auto Group locations.